The TwoTrees TTS55 laser engraver CNC machine is nothing short of a game-changer in the world of laser engraving. With its cutting-edge features and innovative technology, it's a powerhouse that's redefining precision, ease of use, and versatility in engraving. Latest laser beam shaping technology. The standout feature of the TTS55 is its 5.5W laser beam shaping technology diode laser. This innovation offers an ultrafine 0.08mm sharp laser focus, resulting in super cutting penetration and unrivaled precision. It's capable of cutting up to 8mm thick wood, 5mm acrylic, and even carving ceramics and stainless steel. The laser's performance sets a new standard for what's possible in the world of laser engraving. Fast focus design. TwoTrees has nailed simplicity with the fast focus design. A combination of a fixed focus lens and a knob for height adjustment makes focusing a breeze. The addition of a fixed focus column further simplifies the process, ensuring that even beginners can start engraving without any hassle. Easy assembly structure. Building your engraving machine is usually a daunting task, but not with the TTS55. Its aluminum profile structure design and double Y-axis motors enhance stability and engraving accuracy. Plus, with 60% pre-assembly, you can have it up and running in just 30 minutes. Square measuring ruler. The inclusion of precise scale lines on both the X and Y axes makes measuring the size of engraving objects a quick and straightforward process. This feature boosts efficiency and ensures your engraving projects are precisely executed. Wide compatibility. The TTS55 boasts remarkable compatibility, offering multiple control options including mobile app control, Wi-Fi connection, USB connection, and offline use. It supports a variety of engraving software like Laser GRBL, Lightburn, Bendbox, and more. Whether you use Windows or Mac, you're covered. Additionally, it supports multiple engraving file formats, including JPG, PNG, DXF, SVG, G-Code, NC, and BMP. This versatility opens up endless possibilities for your creative projects. Safe design. Safety is paramount, and TwoTrees understands that. The laser filter cover effectively filters out 98% of ultraviolet light, ensuring your eyes are protected. Furthermore, the motherboard comes with a separate control switch for added safety and peace of mind.